Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Alien Worlds token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'd just like to let you guys know too that there is a version of this coin that is with Ethereum, and you can purchase that with Ethereum and put it in your MetaMask as well. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Binance Chain version today with Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. So just stay tuned and I'll show you guys everything that you have to do in order to get this done. So we're just going to head over to our Trust Wallet first off. And I'm just going to let you guys know as well before we go to the next step here that I'm not going to show you guys how to create your wallet or how to transfer BNB into your Trust Wallet. I'll have separate tutorials for those if you guys need to learn how to do those. And those tutorials will be linked in the description as well as in the comment section below if that is needed for you guys. Anyhow, what we have to first do here is add the contract address for the Alien Worlds token. And I'll have a link over to the BSC scan page in the description and as well as in the comment section below for the contract address. So we can just head over to BSC scan here to get the contract address. And we're just going to scroll down and right beside contract, you'll see this address here and we can copy it. So if you just click on that little copy button, you'll be able to copy the address and then come back into our Trust Wallet. And once we're back in Trust Wallet, we want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles and just click on that. And then just go to the top search here and just paste the contract address. Once you do that, you'll see the Alien Worlds token pop up. So we can just enable that token and then click on done. Once we have the token in our wallets, we can go ahead and purchase it on PancakeSwap. So if we just go ahead to the next link I have in the description and comment section, it'll be over to PancakeSwap. So let's go ahead and open that up. And once you guys are on the PancakeSwap homepage here, you just want to go to the top left corner where you see the 3 lines and click on that. Then you just want to drop down this trade menu right here and then just click on exchange. Once you're on the exchange portion of PancakeSwap, you just need to connect to your Trust Wallet. So if we just go to the top right of the screen where we see Connect Wallet, you want to go ahead and click on that. Then here we're actually going to click on Wallet Connect instead of Trust Wallet. And then we'll click on our preferred wallet. So in this case, it'll be Trust Wallet. And then we'll open up our Trust Wallet here. So we just give this a second. It'll show us a screen that says to connect. And once you see the screen here that says connect, you just want to connect your wallet. And then just head back over to our PancakeSwap. We'll know our wallets are connected when we see the wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as the balance of BNB right above our BNB. But now all we have to do is add the currency into our exchange. So we can just go ahead and put the address in here. And then we'll see the Alien Worlds token pop up here. So we just click on import, I understand, and then import. Once that's done, we just have to make sure our slippage tolerance is on 12%. So you just want to go over to where the settings gear is and click on that. And then you can go ahead and change your slippage tolerance right here. Now, you can try using the lowest slippage tolerance that you want to, and whatever will work for you. The lower the better, obviously, because then you're going to be paying less fees. But these coins usually go with around 12% slippage tolerance. But like I said, if you guys can try lower, just let me know in the comments down below if there's a lower slippage tolerance that works for you. And then I can add it to the pinned comment so more people will know. But for me, these coins typically work on 12%. So I'm going to be using 12% in the tutorial. Anyhow, now you just have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the Alien Worlds token. So we can just put in 0.2 right here for an example. And then it will show us how much of the token we'll get in exchange for our 0.2 BNB. If you're happy with what you see here in terms of your exchange, you can just click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. That it will tell you to just swap, and then you will get to another page where it'll show you a broken down version of your transaction, show you your fees and things like that. If you're happy with those fees, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then you can head back over to your Trust Wallets, and your token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out showing you how to get the Alien Worlds token using your Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.